Hey y'all, it's Miss Skeen. Coming to you live from my brother's house because I don't have good internet. And I just wanted to go through some of the things that are posted for you in Google Classroom. You'll find a place that says Skeen Distance Learning Plan for 7th grade Humanities. You know, I have to put my glasses on for this. So. Actually, they're my nephews. It's okay. So here is the plan for this coming week that would like you to work on for reading, writing, and learning about some Texas history. There is an example Google Doc for you. If you click on that, it'll show you kind of what it is I'm looking for. Please make sure your name shows up and then what week it is with the date. And then tell me about what you're reading. Tell me about what you're learning. So that's in your distance learning plan. You can also find on here a link to some resources. Your resources have different libraries where you can digitally check out some books, some virtual field trips. There's all kinds of videos. Of course, if you want to build up your vocabulary or work on some grammar, hint, hint, there's some in there too. There's also some virtual tours that are really cool, like Yellowstone National Park. You can see all kinds of things from there. And then we have Texas Parks and Wildlife and then the other national parks. So, and that document's going to be updated regularly. And so here we have the reading and writing choice board. If you click on this, it will show you what it is that you're being asked to do. You only have to choose one of these per week, but I would like you to please continue reading. Hint, hint, read, especially those of you who, play, but yeah, do some reading. Tell me about it, write about it. And then if you scroll down, you've got the social studies for the week. You have cattle and railroads. Everybody needs to look through that. And then write your reflection in your weekly Google Doc. And then down here is your choice board. You have two different things. You can read about the modern day cattle wrestling, or you can watch some different videos. And then next week, we're still going to continue on talking about cotton, cattle, and railroads. And there will be some new information. You guys, if you ever have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You should know my email, but just in case, yskeen@alvinisd.net. If you will email me, you can also contact me through the Google Classroom. I am going to keep up with the trivia questions because that's been a lot of fun for me to see what you guys come up with. And so we'll keep up with that. And I'm probably going to take Siraj up on his great idea of you guys coming up with some of the trivia questions. So we'll see who can answer today's. All right. Hopefully I will get to see you soon. This is Miss Skeen logging off for now. Bye.